All right, well, package arrived. It's springtime. We're gonna go ahead and clean the truck. And spring cleaning is not just for my shop, but it's also for vehicles too. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. Full disclosure here, this video was sponsored by Armor All, and it was really cool because they were able to send me a box of Armor All products, which I just opened. And I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be using to clean this beautiful truck that I have. Before we do this unboxing, let me show you guys what the truck looks like. It looks nasty, salt everywhere. And then after that, we're gonna use these products, clean it, and then see what it looks like after. So let's go ahead and get started. All of this here on the bottom, everything, man, it's all salt. That's salt, that's not dirt. Hopefully I can get this thing protected because we will be laying down a ceramic Armor All coating, and it's sort of that, less work, more clean sort of idea. So let's go ahead and open this box and show you guys what we have in it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have owned or you guys currently own a black vehicle. I'd love to read it. I'm just curious. So what we have here is an Armor All wash brush. Of course, drying towels. We're gonna be using that once we're all done. And you can never have enough of these microfiber cloths. These are really nice to have. I think Mrs. Truckmaster is going to use the wash mitt during this process. This is going to be nice to use as well. I'm pretty excited about this. This is going to be your Extreme Shield Ceramic Multi-Purpose Cleaner. It also has a ceramic technology that helps repel dirt and stains by providing easy cleanup on dash vinyl consoles and rubber floor mats and plastics, which, by the way, we will be cleaning the interior of this truck. It also keeps the vehicle interior surfaces cleaner for much longer. All right, so next we have the Armor All Extreme Shield Ceramic Car Wash. So this is actually going to be the first thing that we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and spray it down. We're going to power wash it. But this product basically creates an invisible protective barrier on your car, and it also helps prevent dirt and contamination from sticking to the surfaces. The ceramic coating in the car wash improves water beading and enhances shine, keeping your vehicle clean for longer in between washes. Thick and rich snow foam effect is produced when used with the foam cannon, which we actually have in the box as well. And here it is, right there. This is exciting. This is my first time actually using a foam cannon on the channel. So stay with me, guys. This is gonna look really good once we're done with it. But we will be using the snow foam wash. This is gonna be used for the cannon. So this clinging foam sticks to vehicles throughout the wash process to actively loosen dirt for safe, effective cleaning. Of course, we talked about this. We will be using this product in the foam cannon. Now, you wouldn't normally need to wash your vehicle twice with different soaps, but Armor All sent me both products, so I might as well go ahead and just use both of them in this video. Last but not least, basically what this product does is it's easy to clean the severe brake dust and road grime from your wheels. This unique formula changes colors as it cleans and provides a cue when to wipe and rinse. Simply spray on and watch the foam change color from blue to white. Once it turns white, it's finished loosening the brake dust and dirt. So now that we have all of that out of the way, I explained all the products, let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned. So I added 2 ounces to the bucket. That's about all you need. I'm gonna hand wash this with this Extreme Ceramic Car Wash soap, and then after that we'll go ahead and use the foam cannon. So the way I like to clean these trucks is I'd go one panel at a time. So for example, I just wipe down this front quarter panel, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and come on over here to the driver door. All right, let's see here. So we have the foam cannon, and we have the garden hose adapter, I'm guessing. That's probably what that's for. But the good thing is that we're not gonna use the garden hose. We're actually gonna go ahead and just attach this to my pressure washer, which is gonna make things so much easier. Basically, you have the nozzle, and all you guys gotta do is just insert it like that, and then put it on your trigger, and you're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this thing up, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our snow foam wash, and then we're gonna spray. There you go. There we go. Ooh, that makes it heavy. Look at this. Just so you guys know, if you attach it to your power washer, you have to make sure it's flipped up to power wash if you're using guard hose. Same thing, And then up here is the soapiness. Pretty cool little unit. That was a lot of fun. That's cool. It turns into sort of a blue color. Look at that. All right. Blue wheels on black truck. Now that the product's turned white, we're gonna go ahead and scrub it with a sponge just to break up all the loose dirt and all the brake dust, because that's really the big stuff right there. I can't believe I didn't put the stock wheels back on this truck during the winter time. Okay, so now that we dried everything off, we're gonna go ahead and use our Armor All drying towels. Wife and I are gonna go ahead and knock this out together. And after that, we'll go ahead and tackle the interior and show you guys the finished product. The way this Extreme Ceramic multi-purpose cleaner works is you just shake it up like that. Use your microfiber cloth. And when you spray this on, make sure that, like right here, you guys can see it's all dirty. But once you spray this on, make sure that you don't allow it to dry, just wipe it off. My boot always gets right there when I'm driving, so it's good to get this stuff off. This is all from the winter, guys. It's pretty nasty. And I live out in here in the country, so I have muddy roads, dirty, gross driveways, you guys can tell. But yeah, it's always good to do this once or twice a year. Let's get this dash. This is gross. Let's see how much dirt comes off the dash. Oops. The dash looks nice and shiny. Okay, so we're done here. The interior looks good. Actually, it looks like something that we picked up from the dealership, to be honest with you. I haven't seen this truck look this clean.
That's
so
beautiful.
Let's go ahead and look at it from the outside. You ready? So we have the ceramic coating on there. We have of course, we use the foam cannon on it. We use the microfiber cloth. Of course, we use the tire and wheel cleaner. It looks amazing, guys. It looks so good. I'm glad we did this. And of course, I'm not gonna be driving this thing for a little bit. We just brought it back from Wisconsin. So I'll be driving my other car. But in the meantime, she's gonna sit clean until all this stuff starts to thaw off, because it already is. Look at that.
Come on, spring.
Yeah, it needs to get here. It needs to get here. But that is it for this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching till the very end. Truck turned out amazing. And like I stated before, the truck looks like something I picked up from the dealership when I first bought it. But we'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned.